Hey there, welcome back to FixMaster. In today's video, I will show you how to verify your email address in Discord. So let's get started. First, open your Discord app and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on bottom right settings, then click on account setting, then click on top right add email button. Then type your email and click on change email. After this, you have to give your Discord account password. After this, click on done. Then Discord will send verification to your Gmail account you entered before. After this, open Gmail app and open Discord Gmail. Then click on Verify Email. Then select any app you want to open. As you can see that your email is verified. Click on Continue to Discord. Congratulations! Your email address is now verified on Discord. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to FixMaster for more helpful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.